Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James. How are you? In this video, we would like to share the work that we finished in the HINO Trucks 300 series 617 model 2012, and this one already appeared in some of our video that we already share how to remove the system, how to install the microphone, and how to install the sensor for the GPS. And now looking at this one, we already finished the installation of the new 9-inch premium setup, and also we haven't removed this tab yet as well. It is just the protector on the front, and you can remove anytime if the owner wants. And also we already reinstated this one by custom build a two single pocket over here. You remember that this one came with the factory screen here and also a small Pioneer screen over here, very old outdated one, and we already removed that one, clean all the factory wiring back to the factory state before our installation. So there's factory stock wiring at this moment behind this head unit, connect with our system, and this one is dual single pocket that we new fit, and with our USB port, the second one, and the first one we actually fit it here. Alright, so just for easier use. Now the 9-inch premium one here is installed with the purpose that we keep retaining the factory reverse camera, so everything is installed to retain the factory speakers, boost up the sound speaker, very nice. Currently the sound in this truck is much better than it was before because of the strong amplifier inside the head unit, boosts up that performance. And the factory reverse camera already well connected to the new system, and everything is already ready for pickup. So look at this, on the screen is wireless Android Autos running, but definitely you know that this premium one has very strong wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto as well. Now have a look at the reverse camera. So we are parking inside our workshop, and you can see clearly that the factory reverse camera showing up nicely, and it actually even activate infrared features inside the camera as well. We can clearly see that. So yep, that's how the factory camera connect directly into our head unit, and it works really nice. And instantly when you turn it to normal, it will come back to the previous screen. That's how the premium system in the HINO trucks working. Yep, everything is ready and beautiful. So we'd like to say thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, please click the subscribe button. We appreciate that, and we'll try to bring more videos to you. Once again, have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.